us, pray for us. So that is a golden opportunity. Of course, we shall not have it again. Now, we have Sinjiro and Bushenyi, isn't it?
Yeah.
In semi. Then we have Kazo and Rwampara. I think you're going to ask me, Teka, no our favorite. To me, I can see Benashtiana online. I see Rwampara in the finals and Bushenyi in the finals. Factors one, Rwampara are motivated by the leaders, all the honorables. Honorable Mola Simwe, of course, Nomaru Rwampara Woman MP, Honorable Amos Kankunda, MP, Rwampara County, Honorable Julius Karuhanga, Rwampara East, Chairman Rwampara District. Surprisingly, Nana CEO wa Uganda Premier League, BB, Nomaya, Bernard Binaman. Now we are behind Rwampara. They have a man called the Egaku, I think, Alan Egaku is doing well, he's scoring every match. So and they are beginning at home. They will maybe slaughter Kazo with like 2 goals. They go there, whatever team draw, then team wenyere eba sekonera mukuru njumunonga a team Rwampara kuzum final. That is just a prediction. Now after that prediction, aruna ne ya Bushenyi na Isinjiro. Isinjiro is just like a team. I think on tournament just mekuwa Isinjiro ka 2 games. You are stand to be corrected. No, you correct me. Shemakaronka matches in Kibezera biro. Okuzakuka yaka.
Teraza ne Chiruhora.
They didn't. Yeah.
Omurushere. Then Chiruhora still again supposed to actually they are.
Yeah, seems an issue to win.
Emzanesha.
Tiaza Isinjiro.
Return leg to Barajizanwe. Then Nanumuzano.
Rwampara se Tiaguzana.
Those are 4 games.
The 4 games gandhi?
Yes, when you included the quarter final, home and away.
What they compare stay home and away. 4 games. That's why they call luck, but luck has also an end. the luck will come to an end. Bushenyi, why? Bushenyi, almost same factors. Motivation. They are hungry. I don't know if Mkunane is at the national team.
Yes, he is.
I don't know if he's going to play that
Takazan actually
game. And they are going to miss him. So that motivation and the commitment of Bushenyi, I can see them back with Mutimu Isinjiro. Echindi, Ram, one missing a tests beginning of the terms. He named Yokuzum final game or time Mecharabu. Kongo Kumazan or beginning of the term, mid of the term, tests Zokan Bachako Zaban, no man as a 20. Kongo question a Yabri Kugumiri. What you're advising at the result performing Kurunjum final games, of which Isinjiro has not done. So never Isinjiro, a room comfort zone, a room silence, a shy yona vadio, but shows that's my analysis in Pato. So I can see Bushenyi and Rwampara in the finals. Now, who's going to take the title? It's very hard because those are in the same factors. Without hearing Mukundani. But still, I see Bushenyi with the experience of winning the title. I'm sorry to say, that's my verdict.
Okay. Well, semi-final. Emwe Eriagati ya Bushenyi and Isinjiro, then Rwampara Kazo.
Rwampara Kazo.
Edition age, Yankomebiri, Agronate, 4th edition of the Yankore Cup tournament. Of course, bimwe abindi factors ezo wakwasa kuba no gamba no kujango omu edition age. Ebintu ebiturebere mu bingi no kujango games nyingi zibase kuba zitazanirwe kiko banyono teka ngo ikizobo niki because we missed a quarter final twa missing over
group
5
stages that can matches, I think.
No, 5
group stages.
Group stages.
So a quarter final to Mbarara City 2 games.
Mbarara City 2 games.
Another one, Bweja also was also a knockout, I think.
Ntungamo Bweja.
That is 3.
Isinjiro home and away 5.
5 games, 10 games. So one of the factors in just I think Abganjon Kumuntu tournament Shigambo flop Tiambo flop Munyanko Tietichi tournament Toroji Nikoja ngo tibine cyo gukora nete kokwa konka mazime Toroji abo kuba vibe eyaberiyo mu last 2 editions nishuka turi mu finals za team ya Rubirizi ekutwara ikikopo no kizwa arkacheka that build up to that one ekenungi Ibanda was very strong team ekwinta isinga bulyomwe
niyo I think niyo yabermo no the previous championship
juju ya
mpira gwa shema
gwabira mu controversies na bushenye mbuheju so noreba nentekateke torogire for one reason organizers took it for granted team nza kwekora and we have forgotten the culture in Western Uganda you push you press on the button mpaka mwero so it's not like in English Premier League Hatman I give example Manu Arsenal because they have many fans in Africa but you have to work on okorebya uyo nka CEO English Premier League bubo rumbagura they are preparing so you just the opening of the fixture ninjirangu mu kwa munana twe okwa munana actually ni bako urwakatano Liverpool erabanezana Crystal Palace ekiro shahina so atubona wakotagize uti you people mine opening already bomba kwa bari yacha chawa unfilled but ready so konka waizo mu
na fans bari avail
na ba fans na tickets baziguze online za tickets zabo za season konka wazo mu perspective ya Africa no tekurangwa every day njore chiniro ntweshongera every day miranko wongere abantu bajya gutokura bonde I forget it's a recorded voice they think you are the one who goes there and keeps say miranko wongere so ati organizer akatekate ngo atu buyati ro tournament bona mbakwiza on board bona team zona kyatungira 13 actually nyoke yakoze 13 aho naramanye problems zatandika because some teams come there for excitement later on they babebuza into go much. Then another problem maybe inkwasa kweyo it's a political season. Political season. So political season an advantage and a biggest disadvantage. Hati nkamuhwejo it was political. Uriyaza kujikwataho baguna yamutokuzayo akwenye na stopinye n'intani njikwataho. Mbarara nayo Mbarara states political. The mayor says I don't know the team. Some good lovers baramu na bambati ngwitu mtumobilizing. Wari omuntu yakunda omwana okukira nyina. Nujiro kuwera rikiramo kwa mani muno
so marasta heshire namana ganje namabati
kasati moko kundo mwana kukira nyina ati abantu ahacyarumba jya muri nkabarugo I'm sorry to say on air but it was many factors impango political factor na ne kugira ngo kintu akiza kwekora
so sponsored by DSTV program Akadirisa Ram Edwin hamana Pato tumura wakachentu garuka mutakarwa
Omwana yawangudde asomera ku somero ki?
Kamwenge college.
Wawulidde otya bwe bakukubidde essimu ne bakugamba nti owangudde school fees w'omwana wo wa mwaka mulamba?
Kale okusooka n'abaddemu okutya. Nenti akati n'atuusa awantu omwana wange n'angumya n'agamba bino byalaali tugende.
Ngolooza by'abafere. Kale ano ssaawa kino wafugiriza ekintu kituufu.
Kituufu nze n'asanyukire kuba n'addabu.
Naye nga kendi kuwulira zinduulu dda. Kale sita emu mukaga 5 sita munana 0 hash ne bakuleetera options nolondako pay school fees.
David Omutanyata ariho Koronji Sanchez ariho n'abandi mwena abariyomba tureba amikutu etari emwe n'emwe DSTV of course nubwo mukutu ogoyine kuba no itekaho kugira ngo twagurugaho Patrick, engineer Moses
Magogo.
Hashim Magogo,
Yes.
abase kuba natwara inshuro ya kana kurga 2013 2013 hatina ari kumwesimba. What does this mean?
2013 nubwa agenome bigere bya Dr. Lawrence Murindo hati yatungo kisanja cyakana hati nicyo kizo bitwino mu Uganda. By the way, we have a big problem in Uganda now. Tutantikigamba Ram niyo kisanja tinka cyangire because that's the trend niyo to set in mu Uganda. Abantu basoma kutegeka imyaka 50 bayenda no problem kureke cinkwanga no combininga ebintu bibiri obunanzi bwa bubiri okabugita hamwe. Now you are an MP nyoni Magogo no yakwiza ni mukwateta ya tinkutina. You are an MP and you know what a politician does. So waka waba umupira none munyango mu Uganda mazimata ari umuntu okuno umupira munongo kwasa gutwara ba vice president nanguva aza inorigeze na kwata ba vice president abaru week kujya bagumara key player. So ba vice president abakumanya umupira abajata kwata mu maka mukora president hati urogamba kujya ngo akaraba na opposed. Do you know the rules they put there? Unga twatwatsigamba no Rwampara. I think we discussed it before. The rules ezibatiro etwa kweta ring fencing bakakwata baturuzo kujya ngo tukaze hati nka bakubuza Ram to qualify to go to, let's say, at the World Cup in the USA. Ngo sheme kwa Ram oyino muzigito uri haji kandi bakachikora ngo ombiro bishatu ngo sheme kuba wagenze at Ram tokoza no kurubatayo you disqualify yourself. That's what they did. So konganya yeri ka fair competition bona abantu bakikizwa baka competing akarabo. I have no problem because abantu mamba kwa analyzing turugirenkai twakankai twaza kwa analyzing a football vis-a-vis other sports disciplines. Football tonight watching and I think you agree with me. It's only this year I qualified for Abaana bato World Cup ombyafe by'umupira gwa Uganda. Nabona orebi abana bato it's not like a senior team, by the way, because sometimes even at za Togo nzayo za team nzayo mbo tugire team yiteka cyane no mu quarter final za AFCON. Do you know that team yitu teka cyane no mu mbaje tazia let's say knockout ikazana timu kajote otiyakore chamani omu East Africa
2019
omu East Africa
kazana knockout
Senegal.
Yes, we played Senegal.
That's why you stopped. Now on East Africa we are no longer a big force you kujya mutambura nayo. Now why do you give someone Ekisanja Chakana to do what? I looked at their budget ashatu ni 5 neyachi ne umupira by emphasizing ngo governance
billions.
Ngo governance eyo ejimbaustaka mbakwemembera ati uri mu Western Uganda ngambera Ram. Is there any governance warebere umupira
seka mtaka ine office
whereby even the ati kintu kikwereka abantu ba clubs ni beshashura referee muri kankubuza one chef ni wagura ubutunguru ni wagura nyanya ni wagura bitoki yakwihura takwihura bikumara because ati chonka it puts the football in the crisis. Abo kuba umuntu ni wamushashura ni wa transport hati nongo bazona times kuzo mu region nyote I don't trust them because umuntu nana komputi no tekura ngo wamu favoring echo kimaremere. Now umushira busy na no mucyara we I give them respect. Actually I like so much Anita Among. She's concentrating on her politics konko and the politics and the football on Tujimanya. It's a unifying factor. If you still remember the late Nelson Mandela akagira ati ekicho kuzo munsi yona nemeza no gitamanga when they score a goal you don't know Ram no wachi no wachi
ngebe byona fofa ibase kubane leta ho reforms aho izengo babase kubamba professionalizing a domestic leagues bakora administration modern bakora systems then nanokujango ompira gwa Uganda bagutungira a style.
Which style?
A style of play.
The joke planning of this financial year it's all existing
according to the reforms.
So what happened?
Kandi be mwa byebyo ntureba bishikirire
kankubuze mwana ndyonseseramu ekyo kusesa ni kintu kimwe professionalizing football
yes
obo twine team eriyo mu Uganda top football level ekugenda abantu mushanje kuza kuzana ino churi umunsi talk of Tanzania talk of South Africa ba team ya Arua nyenda kureka professionalizing neza kitara ikajana bazana banga mwini kirabiro
kitara
bakamuzana type is still remember last year but one mbabazi akakiriyo asingo zetiti mbabazi bakajya abantu mushanje professionalizing nyabanje ayisoti nchubatire kiti mu ringogo arosiyo ibyo no gamba
we have
aro bagambirizi in structures in a source of funding nkiza kita kujya mu timu neza kugenda ekarema kusiya bazani 10 mwabo ya transport bakepakira mu taxi
konka ebintu ebikwatiye nebye
aho nuko kwatunguka
ligi ya France ya level ya professional ningere semi
France as League 1
yes
ya professional onda kungamba Lyon ngoma baje
yes Lyon
konka Lyon eleme kutwavorinsa bazani kuri kacu bagikwasiremu okushoza munonga entaserinche kandi badimotinga badimotinga beko kate tokarebere bazo mu taxi wajiro mu taxi bepakire mundu baza kuriya etcherere team zibiri zikarema ku forwardinga I call them players you remember I think it's called Chetume another one which one another one they can makubiteka ate you professionalizing that's a hachikatchere now professionalizing football yo gamba bari filmba mara emyaka ebi bataka shashuri is that the professionalizing football so ram breko kwata kuteka akavera misho batakutaka vera misho is a sentence batamwezi mweza governances actually now urana shocked it's just could go FIFA you search how much is it
reforms in zerize kuba past
Remember just says okay batigambere cha long time ago
about
bakaba Kabale
20
boba mwachisaje cha kashatoba
2021 2020
bakabire mukabara
so long time you need time kujangweza reforms zibase kubana is taking a shape kuya abantu bakorensho bamuheze kisanje cha Chakshot actually ninjire cyo kubanza turi okay twanto rugombo Lawrence Murindwa then twaza no mu Afcon ndatoze okay cyastambara mu Chakshot no mamu bo bwirobwe tuzentanga tugaruke nyuma taro club ya Uganda eyagiro omu knockout all group stages za Champions League no chumanya is that progress no chumanya nubo tukureba abazani ba Uganda exodus yabo nibargo mu Uganda baza Rwanda but
nibargo mu Uganda baza Tanzania no mangu why are we not attracting people from outside
Pato no chumanya kurunje ngo omubwire bwa magogo KCC eka performinga kurunje omu Champions League
ahubwo no buyabere manyakisanje kishitaka winanga mko yatwa mu Chakshatu avuze mu Chakane cyarete yaba MP actually yaba MP
no
you remember
that's during
wa Mike Mutebi tubogamba buri mazo group stage akabira MP
no bwire bwa mago
akabira MP abukoze na giant problem yine no kwate bintu birakabitambuza kandi one ni dividing abantu ni dividing abazani babra konse butuma mu gwihanga twenda tutunge poor result nico kintu cyane you have no problem no yakutegeka emyaka 25
magogo binga MP na FIFA president yana delivering because first of all Pato you would agree with me Ngumagogo during his time Uganda ejiro Afcon twice 17 and actually 3 times now
kakubuzi ukatwa misimba katumanya we missed there
yes, so 3 times now we have another chance to go in 2027
which are fire during Idi Amin Dada who was not doctor
ejono credit
that's during Amin Dada tukazom finals za Afcon stino atashomere oguni engineer so tina yachire manyaka gabe
Amin by the
ram wotakihiro record ya Cheptegei no tina achievement yokoze akwa Cheptegei yachire hati engineer renga ujoti people have performed hata nana uri akari finals na namusemi takachire so until Magogo reaches finals kana butu koma finals zoka na bakatwara chikopo because umoko your record achievement ejejabirero
Pato RH tweta women's football mu Uganda
etungukire
ompiro enjere yigutungukira
Ethiopia kutera every day
no Ethiopia kutera but
Tanzania mangu nekuzana
first give credit ahead
akono mangu ramu Tanzania nekuzana today on Afcon no juma neguzana mari
nangwa
Uganda eriyo
no mushwitu nwashazere keko
no manyi abe nashaka ko timu yetari
nwashazere
anyway ombugufu
no nwashazere ompiro
kubanza open
no pena konka we give credit to Magogos administration kujango omushichenka keko kurganya mitanga hati ni referee omumpaka za Afcon
no manya
a center referee
no mangu tukagiraho referee Africa Masembe was South Africa no manya twagira referee World Cup ari to musange nakugirango wabara kwizo radio so bativwese utakira hakiveti ya Pato no bwakore birungi nyenda wiza yokwe Pato ki ondenge
omusange cyakoreki
ayo kisange kiri musabe kintu kimwe obuhereza mwana obuhereza abandi bat delegating a concentrating on politics zeye aho Uganda neza kutambura cyo mupira a delegating
reba abantu abizere deo mutabaze wa beach soccer
akuna ngwata hamuna experience
atwira beach soccer como executive
atisa na Almanya
Barente chairman wa board Abdul Rukoya ogwa kasavinga 17 2021 tumureba Dr. Twib Azar ogwa izirenka nawe actually izira executive turebaho usual suspect Rogers bya mukama of course nawe
batana batana tamrana baze kisanje cyabo bihiremo sana what you tell me au bihiremo ibyasigara litse no same answer
some pim
mbwe nkaninde
abo kubanture Dr. Apora yimbisibwe ari ku representing Kampala
ari kwa file manya nuwe Darius nuwe bar pressing kuko basigara justice mucha same formula will lead us to the same answer. I don't expect much
kare nizo budget wajigamba
budget ragire bayona
billion ashatu na muka
bakugambira ka billions trillion
paka za Afcon twine chan now actually Patto chenani expecting aro kujota Magogo as we head for Chan and Afcon 2027, he needs to do this. Maybe, but we are Benka Federation. By the time, by the time we go for Chan, Uganda in the right systems. Ompira mulungi okutura basekshoki singa.
Nyawe nyomuntu okurubatira obwebwa abandi bantu. Umuntu akatemu sente zeyi. Okamutera akargo football arena ngiyo noda kumuri umwembezi I will never give him my vote
gamba club world cup twendere
katendere akubwire to Mbarara Magogo na atwarubwire
singire 2-0 na kwata PSG nawo tukaraho kuyatire Bayern Brazil ebeine mu teams nyingi hatu basigize emwe Fluminense ne kwata Chelsea
anyway simple Fluminense enabaze I've seen their age 44, 35, 40 years no manya Thiago Silva akazana club ya Chelsea average ya Chelsea they have 24 years by Jackson by Neto by Cole Palmer by Casado, so it's young versus old ones and you know the heat that is in USA the old one cannot sustain it. So I see Chelsea going through.
But use it. They are weather.
But wakati mtu miaka 8 na mazimaganga ukamuza nsomano miaka 2 no namwe temfumu y'abanyankore gumire ko gatinda jigambe kinoke ukagira ngo omukuru nabo mukuru omuto nabo muto so abageni Chelsea ndikure kurabaho but anything can happen in football when penalty red card to come then Madrid na PSG it's a very hard game Kylian Mbappe anabwa na former team can you scan benda kumwereka ngo Dembele is better than you I can see PSG de okushera kumpira a shock Madrid bagutera nduko ya PSG omu finals na Chelsea then Chelsea bagujegesa lesson yenyine bakujegesa cyakwita UPE omu finals PSG katwara chiko potential
eine luck
yeah
Chelsea
tene kora